In this video, you will learn how to solve this equation that will test your intelligence quotient. Now, you want to know how to solve this question? Join us as we watch this video to the end, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics solution. Now, for us to solve this question, I want us to do an assumption. And what is the assumption? Let us take the value of y to the power of 6, which we know is the second exponent, y to the power of 6, which we know is the second exponent, to be equal to m. Good. So as we do that, we are invariably going to find the value of m. So if we are taking that to be equal to m, that expression can now give us y to the power of 6 to be equal to m. Now let's multiply both sides by the power of the reciprocal of 6. We'll have y to the power of 6 multiplied by 1 divided by 6, and that will be equal to m to the power of 1 divided by 6. Remember, whatever you do to the left hand side, you must definitely do it to the right hand side. So from the law of indices, you know if you have a to the power of x multiplying by the power of y, this can be equal to a to the power of x y. The exponents will multiply. So we'll have our y to the power of 6 multiplied by 1 divided by 6, and this will be equal to m to the power of 1 divided by 6. Great. Now, having seen this, you can see that from the left hand side, 6 will have to clear 6 because 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. So our y will officially be equal to m to the power of 1 divided by 6. So what does this tell us? Wherever you see y, y can be equal to 1 divided by 6. Now let's go back to that equation. Now, if we get back to the root of that equation, you come to see that we have y to the power of 2y equal y to the power of 2y is raised to the power of 6 and is equal to 3. Now, let's bring down that equation, and we'll have to note that our y is equal to m to the power of 1 divided by 6. So we have y to the power of 2y all to the power of 6 to be equal to 3. So having arrived at this, that means wherever you see y, you replace it with m to the power of 1 divided by 6. So the first one will now give us m to the power of 1 divided by 6, right? And it will be multiplied by 2 multiplied by m to the power of 1 divided by 6, right? All to the power of 6, and this will be equal to 3. Great. Now, having done that, let's simplify. The first part, you'll come to see that 6 will have to clear this 6. So we'll have our m to the power of 1 divided by 6 all to the power of 2 multiplied by, this will be what? M. So we're going to have 2m, and this will be equal to 3. Great. Now let's simplify that further. If we simplify that further, remember, according to the law of indices, the external power will multiply the internal power. So we'll have our m to the power of 2m divided by 6, and this will be equal to 3. Now 2m divided by 6, 2 divided by 6 is going to give us 3. So that will give us m to the power of m divided by 3, and this will be equal to 3. Great. Now that we have arrived to this point, what do we do? Now come to think about this. What will you do from here? Because 3 to the power of 3 is equal same as 3 to the power of 1. Now how do we simplify this expression? Pause this video a little and then think about it. What do you think we should do? From my own opinion, I would think we should compare the base and the power. Now, if we compare the base from the power, our m from the base will be equal to 3, and then our m divided by 3 will be equal to 1. Now from this expression, you see that the both expression will still give us 3. How do we know? M will be equal to 3 over here, and then we'll still have our, if we multiply 3 by both sides, we'll have M divided by 3 multiplied by 3, and this will be equal to 3 multiplied by 1, right? So over here, M will be equal to 3. So you see, the solution to that expression is M equal to 3. Now recall, that's not the solution because we are meant to find the value of y. And we said y is equal to m to the power of 6. So we are going to find the value of y. So if y is equal to m to the power of 1 divided by 6, that means our y will now be equal to 3 to the power of 1 divided by 6. So what would the value of y be? The value of y will be equal to 3 to the power of 1 divided by 6, or you can still have it as the 6th root of 3. Recall, according to the law of indices, if you have this can be equal to n root of a can be equal to a to the power of 1 divided by n. So the solution to that expression is y equal to 3 to the power of 1 divided by 6. Are you amused by this solution? Don't worry, we are going to check to see if our solution is correct. Now, what is the original equation? 2 to the power of 2y to the power of 6. Will it give us 3? Now, let's check. We are going to check with the result we have gotten. The result we got is y equal to 3 to the power of 1 divided by 6. So we have y to the power of 2y to the power of 6. Is it going to give us 3? Now let's check. Now if we check this, you're going to find out what the value will be. At y equal to 2 to the power of 1 divided by 6, we'll have 3 to the power of 1 divided by 6, right? Good. And this will give us 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 1 divided by 6, all to the power of 6. From the law of indices, this will clear this, right? And then we'll have that solution to be equal to 3 to the power of 1 divided by 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, right? So that expression will now give us 3 to the power of 1 divided by 6 or multiplied by 6. So if this clears this, our result will be equal to 3. So you see, 3 on the left hand side is equal to 3 on the right hand side. So what does that tell us? That tells us that the value of y equal to 3 to the power of 1 divided by 6 is a solution that satisfies that tricky exponential equation that was given to us right from the beginning of this solution. You see? Very easy. I know you did enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics videos. Also remember to share this unique video with your friends and colleagues. Thanks so much for watching and bye-bye for now.